few days. Yeah, I'm still can't believe it's the first, like, I've run ads for 2 years, and they were trying different, like, for the online bookings, and never ever anyone booked online, even the consultation, and never ever had anyone booked from ads for $500. And now easy.
Spent how much have we spent? Your first
61
$61.
for now.
Um,
Yeah, 61 got 499 procedure, and but so far, because I believe we can take
purchased.
more
Mm-hmm.
from that for.
Yep.
I'll let you know in a few days.
So you got one sale, which was a converter sale of 499,
Yeah.
and was it a discounted service or was it the promotion? There was no word
No, it
mention
was
of
added.
discount.
It
Yeah, but
it was no, it
we
was
didn't.
added. We had LAD consultation and aftercare kit.
Mm-hmm. It was,
Aftercare kit was already included.
yeah,
Consultation was always free, but we made it up worth
yeah. But the
900.
language we used, did we use the word discount or 70% off or anything like that?
There were nothing about the price at all in the whole ad.
Exactly. That there was not a thing about the price. You've had a sale and now you have 4 people to call that have left their details for you to now follow up, and we'll see how many. That's awesome. So how much did you spend last time you've run these ads?
Goodbye. I had to go.
No,
A lot.
this, yeah, like, because remember, I guess it's for because everyone comes in thinking that, like, oh, the Facebook ads, and it's about, like, yeah, but you've got to have the right promotion in, you've got to have the right offer.